Each of these good units have a management hunt. Here on the Ponscomp, Mel and Ray are out looking for their 3x4. Let's go along with them and see how they do.
200 yards now. You there? Okay, I'm ready. Matt. 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 Holy cow, look at the tines on that. Here, throw him in. Nice eye guards, dude. They hook forward.
I like that. It's got a little extra growth there, like it was flattened out and then it grew a little more. Man, that is something else.
Yes, it is.
What a way to start the morning, huh?
Perfect. Day 2, storm's coming tomorrow.
We're getting you. This is about you, Ray. You and management. Could that have been any cooler?
Good spot, Doyle.
On the water. Coming and up the hill.
Got a little trail camera picture of it.
Unbelievable.